morning. So we're going to finish up 4.1 on consumer credit. And today is the 20th. Okay, so what we're going to work on, so let's say you want to buy a washer and dryer. Okay, so let's say go to Home Depot and you're going to buy a washer and dryer. Okay, or $1,400. Okay, now down payment. And no interest. For 18 months. Okay. Okay, so to avoid the 21% annual percentage rate, so the interest rate, you need to pay it in full by the time the 18 months is up. Otherwise, they're going to add the interest on. They will go back and add interest on. Okay, so if you pay $70 each month, how much should you pay the last month to avoid interest, to paying interest? How much should So how much should you pay on the last month to avoid interest charges? Okay, so we did that formula before, everybody. So it's going to be, so it's the amount. Okay, so deferred payment, remember everybody, so the 1,400, okay, minus the $70, because that's how much you're paying, times 18 minus 1, because we want to know how much you need to pay on that 18 month. So that 18 months gives us the 17 months. So 1,400 minus 1,900. So the amount that you would need to pay would be $210 to avoid paying any interest charges. Otherwise, they're going to put that interest back. Okay. So think about, so what if you want to go, you're going to do an installment plan. Okay, so an installment plan for $5,000. And included at 18% down payment. And 18 monthly payments of $295.76. Okay, and we want to know, so we're going to do step by step. So we want to know how much is the finance charge. Okay, and finance charge you're going to see using FC for finance charge. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do this, break this down step by step, everybody. Okay, so what we need to figure out first. Oh, I gotta watch that. Okay, so we need to figure out first, everybody, is the cost times the percent. So that's going to give us the down payment. Okay. So we first have to figure out what's the down payment. And everybody, when you're doing notes, you can leave out the uhs and thus, all that good stuff. Okay, so we're going to figure out that first. So that's going to be 5,000 times 18% is the decimal. Remember, drop the percent decimal and go to the percent sign and go to the left, add the decimal. Okay, so times 18% as a decimal, so we get $900. So that's the down payment. Okay, now we need to know how much you did for the monthly payments. Okay, so this is the total monthly payments. Okay, so that's going to be the number of payments, so the number of months, times the number of monthly payments is going to equal the total monthly payments. Okay, so let's say, so the number of months, okay, so is 18 months. Okay, so 18 months times $285.76. So we get $5,143.68. Okay, now we're going to do, okay, the total amount paid. Okay, so total amount paid. So that's going to be A plus B. Okay, so A plus B. So that's going to be 900 plus the $5,143.68. Okay, so we get $6,043.68. Okay, so now we have, okay, so now we can figure out the finance charges. So how much you paid in finance charges. Okay, so finance charge. Okay, so for finance charge, it's the total amount paid minus the original price. It's going to give you the finance charge. So how much interest did you pay? So the finance charge. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we paid the $6,043.68 minus the original price, which is up here, so 5,000. Okay, so our finance charge was $1,043.68. Okay, so that's the finance charge. Okay, so let's go ahead and figure that out. Okay. So let's do another example. So let's say, so we have Logan. Bought a $3,175 quad. on an installment plan. At 15% down. And he's paying for 24 months.